This is my third week on and third time to use retinol, and I'm planning to increase the frequency of my usage after this week. Siguro, 'di ba? Once a week lang ako nag-a-apply nito. For the next week, I'll be using this twice a week na. Kay so far murag okay naman ang ako. Ang skin murag naka-adjust na siya gamay sa retinol. So I'm going to increase the times I'll be using retinol. And of course, syempre, every night lang gyapon nato siya gamiton. So I'm not that beginner na jud kaayo, no? Level up na tagamay niya. So that was the cream, guys, and then we will be following this serum. Make sure not to make contact sa ano kahit parang dili siya. That's it lang naman din. Diba? Bongga. So far bitaw no kay niangay jud siguro akong kuanan niya kay dili na kayo ko mag-break out. Wala na kay koy mga acne. And it also helps improve skin elasticity, guys. But still kulang pagyapon, no. Still working on it. Third week pagod and third time pa na ako na siya ginagamit. So far, so good. I'm happy with the results. And ganan ko siyang smell. Ka-relax. That's it, guys. Thank you sa pagsubaybay. That's it. Good night.